Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video, or let's say welcome to both of these videos. So I was going through the footage of this past weekend, the Autocross event in Homestead. First of all, had tons of fun. I had tons of fun filming and tons of fun driving, and that's probably why I have so much footage. So what I'm going to do is split this into two different videos. So if you're watching this is the video for the pullaways, all the different cars I saw, the Supra, which was amazing, the new Supra with what seemed like an aftermarket exhaust, some exhaust clips of that. So we'll get into that video now, and it's going to be raw, uncut, probably very little music. So enjoy that, enjoy the goodness of all the cars that came out. And if I missed your car, if you don't see it there, I'm sorry. You know, obviously everybody has their favorites, and the ones I filmed were obviously some of mine. So hope you guys enjoy. Catch you later on. So we made it to the sweet palms of Miami. So right there is the main track, obviously, if it's focusing. FC, I think. Oh shit. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna zoom out because it's gonna be so fast out of frame. It's gonna be ridiculous. Pretty dope, another Tesla, just like the PBIR event, which I don't have footage of, but see how fast this bitch is out the gate. Oh, I didn't even hear it go. Oh my god. That doesn't give me much confidence for my rain lap, that's for sure.